Hello, this is Andrew Technique More, and welcome to a video. Today, we're going to be looking at some finds that I have, and coin roll hunting, 13 rolls of nickels, and 4 rolls of pennies. Let's get started. Alright, I have some things that my grandma gave me. First, we have 11 copper pennies, 4 1982 pennies, which are the transitional year of copper to zinc, 4 wheat pennies, a 56 Denver, a 58 Denver, a 51 Denver, and a 46S. 3 old Lincoln pennies, a 63, a 61, and a 62. And 2 foreigns, a 2000 Bermuda penny, which is pretty cool because I've never got one of those before. A 1940 Canadian King George VI. 54 Denver, a 1947 S, and a 1957 Denver Old Jefferson, and a 1960 Canadian 12-sided nickel. So let's get into the rolls. Alright guys, we are here in the 4th roll, and we have another Old Jefferson, a 1946 plain date. Let's keep going. Alright guys, we are here in the 5th roll, and we have an Old Jefferson, a 1946 plain date. We also have a 1959 plain date. And a 1954 Denver. Let's keep going. Guys, we are here in the 10th roll, and we have 2 Old Jeffersons, a 1958 Denver, and a 1953 San Francisco. Let's keep going. Alright guys, we are back here in the 11th roll of nickels, and we have another Old Jefferson, a 1958D. Let's keep going. Alright, in today's 13 rolls of nickels and 4 rolls of pennies from my grandma's house, we got a 1960 Denver nickel, 2 1958 Denver nickels, a 1954 Denver nickel, a 1953 S Old Jefferson, and 2 1946 plain date Old Jeffersons. We got a 2009 Birth and Early Childhood Lincoln commemorative, and a 2009 plain and a 2009 Denver formative years. We also got the set D&D of presidency. Moving on, we had 2 1982 Denver copper large dates, 1 1982 zinc small date with a Denver mint mark, a 61 Denver, and a 60 Denver Old Lincoln. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.